Today I'm in the Southport Corridor neighborhood in the 3600 block of Greenview, which is near Greenview and Addison, in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. See, it's got nice high ceilings with ceiling fans, a decorative fireplace. This is the living room here. Then we're going to the dining room. And there go to one of the 2 bedrooms. This bedroom will hold a queen-size bed, no problem. It's got a fan. Nice hardwood floors throughout. Again, here's the dining room and living room. The dining room and the living room is down there. Laundry is in the basement. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen is a little different than some that you might see. It has a lot of cabinets. Some smaller cabinets are stacked on others, but it gives you a ton of cabinet space. It has a dishwasher. From here we'll go into the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom is narrow. It's kind of typical of vintage places. It has a ceiling fan also. You could put a double bed in here. I think you could probably put a queen. And again, they've stacked the storage again. So you end up with decent closet space. We're back where I started at the living room. To the left is the front door. Forward is an entry closet for coats and stuff. Here's the bathroom. It's a little dated, but it's very nice. It's clean. So this is us walking in from the front door. So the kitchen's in front of you. And the living room.